Thank you, Mom.
Welcome. Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we are doing our June box for Beauteque Monthly, which is a Korean beauty box. I am a huge lover of all things Korean beauty. I think it's just such a fun, quirky genre of beauty makeup products. Like they take their products, they take what's in their products seriously, but they take their packaging not so seriously, which I think makes it just more fun. So I'll put all the information for this box in the box below if you need to know more about it. And I've done my research. I've looked into other like K-beauty boxes, and this one is just, I get the most bang for my buck in this. I used to love Mimi Box. That's what got me into Asian beauty products years and years ago. It's kind of why I started my channel actually, but they just got more expensive and they started giving you less, and I just kind of veered off from them. But I have since found Beauteque and I've been very, very happy with the box. Not every month is like, oh my god, a home run, but I'm never like, this sucked. Like it's never been like, oh, this is awful. It's like any beauty box. You don't know what you're getting, but I'm never like disappointed. Sometimes I'm like, it wasn't as good as last month, or this was better than last month. I mean, you know, it's like a beauty box, but I've never once thought, I don't want to do this anymore. I don't want to get this box anymore. I'm a huge fan of this box. All right, so the theme for this month is botanical beauty. And what is this? I don't know, but I'm dying. This is the Skylake Oriental Herb Cleansing Powder. I've used a few different cleansing powders before in the past, and I've actually really liked them. So each one of these little capsules is its own like cleanser. So let's see, this retails for $15. This cleansing powder is a gentle facial exfoliator that helps remove dense skin cells, fine lines, pores, and impurities, leaving the skin more radiant. Packed in individual containers containing both elastic and brightening cleansing powders, it's perfect for on the go. So this is good, obviously, to use at home or like for travel. Pour the powder out into your hand, mix powder with water, creating a paste to whatever consistency you like. Massage onto your face in circular motions, rinse off after about 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, I like that. I like that, like, it's not just like rinse for, like, rub for a second and then rinse. I like that it's like for a few minutes. Makes you feel like it's working. You can add this actually to your own facial cleansers to create a more efficient exfoliation. That's also pretty cool. It's like a 2-in-1 kind of thing. I will absolutely be trying these. I'm so excited. Oh, I love any kind of skin pads. I don't know why, I just do. These are the Rosewater Skin Pads. Rose anything is great for your skin. If you're an essential oil buff, you'll know that rose oil is one of the most expensive oils you could buy, and it's for a reason. This retails for $10. It comes with, it says 30 ml, but I'm trying to see how many pads are in here. It doesn't say. This pad has all the benefits of rose water, including smoothing irritation, redness reducing, anti-aging properties, and above all, it enhances your mood. This organic farm rose water skin pad will leave your face looking flawless and feeling amazing. After cleansing your face, apply toner pad. Okay, so this is like a toner. Apply toner pad to dry skin, rub rose water skin pad all around face, eyes, neck, avoiding contact with eyes and mouth. The smell of rose water can even relieve headaches. Interesting. That's not true to me. I don't agree with that actually. And actually this isn't too bad. I'm not a huge rose fan, the scent of rose, but this is actually kind of faint, and I mean the cap's on, but it's not particularly that like perfumey rose smell. It smells actually like a rose, so I definitely will try this. All right, the next is one of my favorite things ever, lip balm. This is the Skylake Natural Moisture Lip Balm. With a silky smooth formula, this lip balm gives intense moisture and hydration to dry lips, made with shea butter, herbal extracts, propolis extract. It has everything you need for hydrated lips all day long. See what it smells. Oh, and it's pink. It has a very slight lemony herbal scent, but nothing that's gonna linger very long. And it feels kind of thin, which I kind of like. I'm very excited to use that, and I absolutely will. Uh-oh. The next is a body lotion, which I'm probably most likely going to pass on because I don't really use body lotions, but I'm gonna open it from the bottom just to give it a smell. Oh, no, I changed my mind. I'm gonna keep it. This is called Sweet Love Body Lotion, and it says style may vary, so I'm assuming different boxes have gotten different scents. This is in cashmere, oh no, it says cashmere perfume, and then it says Sweet Love, so I don't know what it's actually, I don't know what the actual scent is, but this smells like something, some OG scent. This smells like Palmaria from Bath & Body Works, but a slight bit more faint, which is fine. I changed my mind, I'm keeping this. Okay, and the last thing in here, one of the last things, we also have this headband. Oh my god, how cute. It's a cactus headband. This is actually what it is going, I'm not gonna open it because I have a million headbands, so I'm gonna save this for a giveaway. That's really cute. Okay, so yeah, it's a cactus headband. This retails for $8. Oh, and this retailed for $12. And the last thing in here is a sheet mask. Oh, it's a duo mask. Okay, so that means you get a sheet mask in here with something else. So this retails for $3. This is the Shosanga Wonder Bath Super Vegetox 2-Step Mask. This 2-step mask cleanses and smooths skin for a radiant look. Step 1 is a Vegetox cleanser. It has exfoliating properties which help remove impurities, and once it's massaged into the skin, white purification bubbles appear to exfoliate and nourish the skin. Step 2 is the sheet mask, and it smooths and cleans with 10 green vegetables ingredients, leaving your face with a clear and more radiant look. After cleansing with this, you leave the mask on 15-20 minutes, like a regular sheet mask. This was a really good box, actually. The last box I feel like I wasn't jazzed over, but I am pretty much a fan over everything in this box. And at first I was like, lotion, but the smell of this won me over. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is a really good box. Today's been a really good box day. I just did another unboxing a few minutes ago and that was really good. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So I will update you guys on all the things in this box in the comments below once I use them, or on the screen if I've used them by the time I've uploaded this, and let you know how everything worked out. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.